Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. Let's be honest, we all want to look like we just walked out of a salon, but nobody has an hour to spend with a blow dryer every morning. Short hair is not just a style statement, it's a lifestyle hack today. We are looking at the top 3 low maintenance short haircuts that look high end with zero effort. First up, the Tapered Pixie. This is the ultimate wash and go look. Unlike a sleek pixie that requires precise styling, that texture version thrives on imperfection. Next, we have the blunt French bob, ending right at the jawline. This cut is a miracle worker for fine hair because it creates instant volume. No layers. Mean no fuss. If you have a bit of frizz, a quick sip of hair oil in all you need is that definition of effortless elegance. Finally, for my thick haired viewers, the undercut. By shaving or clipping the hair at the nape of the neck, you remove 50% of the bulk. It keeps you cool and prevents that poofy look that short, thick hair sometimes gets. It's bold but easy to manage. Short hair is about confidence and reclaiming your time. Talk to your stylist about which of these fits your face shape best. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe for more style shortcuts. See you in the next one. Bye bye.